Okay, this is, what are you making, Erwin?
Flour. I make elderberry pancakes, and we made the batter with 1 egg, a little bit milk, a little bit baking powder, cinnamon, vanilla, and sugar, and a tiny little bit of salt. I put it in here. Now I'm going to go outside, and I'm going to cut elderberries.
Okay. There's a Holunder bush.
Yes, so we look for nice young flowers.
Small.
And maybe just two.
Two.
And then we dip them in the batter and put them in the frying pan.
Let's see. Let's get a close-up of this. Aren't they beautiful?
They smell so good. Real sweet.
Yeah, again. Yeah. They really smell sweet. What did you just say?
It is also called Holle or Holunder.
Holunder.
German.
What is
Yeah,
Holunder?
okay.
Compote.
Compote is
You made the pears.
Oh,
You know, that's
what did she do? How did she do it? Do you know?
berries.
Oh, with the berries.
Berries, not this.
He knew
But
how,
she made wine also
he knew how to
That's
eat
what
it.
the-
He didn't know how to make it.
with the blooms.
What? She made wine with the brooms?
Wine. Yeah. But I don't know how she did that.
But you knew how to eat it and drink it.
Oh
The
yeah.
oil is nice and
it was-
hot.
Hot oil in it. And then we put a little bit butter in it too. And then we take our Holunder. I never made this before.
I wonder if you should have cut off those long stems.
First, I put it in, let it get brown.
Yeah.
Then I cut off the stem. I gotta get it solid first.
Okay. You have to do what you have to do.
I'll put one more in there.
Gives you the handle.
Exactly. Put some cinnamon sugar on it later. So now it's kind of getting a little bit hard. Now I'm going to cut those heavy stems off. Like I say, I never did this before, but I don't think I want to eat stems, so I figure time to get rid of them. And now we're going to turn the first one over and see what it looks like.
Yeah, go ahead.
Now we're going to take the first one and turn it over.
Ooh, it looks like a pancake.
That's what it is. Holunder pancakes. Holunder flower pancakes. Turn it
This
down
is
a little
really
bit.
cool. Okay, I guess the next is the taste. Right?
Well, if you want to get fancy, you cook them half set brown. Put some cinnamon sugar on it. Turn it over one more time. And then you can kind of caramelize the whole thing a little bit.
How do you know? You
But
never
no-
did this before.
Well, I did different pancakes.
Oh.
Apple pancakes. Like I said, it's the first time we ever made this, but it looks okay. I guess you can have syrup with it, but a little cinnamon sugar never hurt anybody. Okie dokie.
Okay, here we go. The first bite.
Now we're trying this.
Oh, my battery's almost out.
It's excellent. I just try to see if I can taste the flowers. I hardly can taste the
Really?
flowers.
Just.
I mean, the whole thing tastes really good, but there's no distinguished flower flavor.
Okay. I'm out of battery. Say bye.
Bye.